up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. Today gonna be sad and exciting day at the same time. The reason why it's sad, because I'm selling my McLaren and it's gonna be gone today. So let's say our final goodbyes to the McLaren. I had so much fun with it. I think I had this McLaren the longest out of all my cars, almost 2 years. Lots of beautiful time with it, good memories, amazing cars. So let's say final goodbyes. New owner of the car is already sitting inside and ready to go, man. What a fun car. That was one of my best cars ever. Congratulations, my friend, and enjoy it. Another happy customer. McLaren is sold. So that's it, no more McLaren. McLaren is gone, but now we got ourselves a new build. Let's go check it out and let me introduce you guys the new build. As you guys know, I like my Porsches, but I never had a real GT3, and today is the day where we get the real deal. So this is gonna be the new LNC car, and let's take a look at my brand new, well, brand new to me, not brand new for somebody else. Unfortunately, it's a crashed one, but it's a brand new car to me. So let's take a look at my brand new crashed GT3. So we'll start with the front end. The wheel took an impact. We racked everything up, just kind of see what's going on. I sent out the wheel to see if they could fix it. So on this side, ceramic rotor chipped off, so we're gonna have to replace this guy. Little damage right here. Rocker panel got damaged, kind of pushed in. Hopefully we could fix this. And then rear suspension got the most. The knuckle broke off from the control arm. So I just end up getting a complete used suspension. So this way we know 100% everything is good. And we also bought a new ceramic rotor as well. So we'll replace this real quick. Airbags deployed as well. And unfortunately, since the airbags deployed, the pyro fuse deployed as well, so the car doesn't start. So we got both of the curtains, the roof airbags deployed, the seat, both of the seat belts, and pyro fuse. And this is the pyro fuse. I already got a new one. But the thing is, to get to the pyro fuse, so much work. I don't know what kind of genius designed this. Porsche, I'm talking to you guys, gotta make this a lot easier. But in order to get to it, they put it right here at the bottom, and the only way to get to it, you gotta pull the whole entire dashboard. There's another YouTuber, Matt, he just rebuilt one of those. He bought one from Copart, and I believe it was Adam AZ's old Porsche, and same thing, he had to replace it. So thanks, Matt, for the video, very helpful, so I don't have to dig around. I know exactly what to do now. I gotta pull this whole entire dashboard, Senna Council, just to get to it. His dashboard deployed, so he had to replace that anyways, but on mine it's perfect. I just gotta pull all this out just to get to the pyro fuse. So we'll leave that for later. Right now I want to focus on the suspension. I want to replace that real quick. At least we could get the car rolling, and then we'll jump on the airbags and the pyro fuse. So definitely gonna have to put some work on the dashboard, so definitely not looking forward to it. But for now, we'll jump on the rear suspension, replace that real quick, and we'll go from there. So right now, I'll remove the seat because I gotta pull the rear panel to get to the bolts for the shock. And then we'll drop the shock, we'll remove all the control arms, and it should come off. Very easy and simple. Then I'm thinking to paint the calipers blue color to match the car. I think that's gonna look very fresh. Okay, let's remove the seat and start digging in the back. Okay, just removed the seat, so now I gotta remove this carpet panel to get to the shocks. Pump those big guys. But pretty much I'm gonna have to strip the whole interior, both seats, dashboard, headliner to get to the curtain airbags, and then I gotta remove the seat belts and send them out to get reprogrammed. A lot of work, but should be fun. Okay, let's pull this cover off like this. Should be somewhere right here. Oh, there they are. Here's the 3 bolts to the shock, and it should come off. Boom. Okay, 3 bolts are removed. Okay, so now we could drop the shock and remove the suspension completely. Okay, it's loose. So right now I want to remove this under shield slash diffuser. Just remove the under shield, but let's take a look underneath, man. This thing is like spotless. Wow, so clean. Very, very clean. Pretty much brand new car. I like it. I like it. Very nice. Now we could remove the suspension. I had to get to this bolt. Now we could remove this control arm. I had to get to this bolt. But under shield slash diffuser was in my way. Okay. Remove the shock. Shock snapped off too. Supposed to be like this. Okay. Little cut as always. And now we gotta figure it out how to remove this control arm. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to drop the whole subframe just to remove those bolts. That sucks. I just got my new axle as well. So here's the game plan. Right now, I'm not gonna install the axle. I just wanna throw the suspension on, so this way we could roll the car. I wanna put the car on the frame machine, and I wanna remove the suspension once again and work on this area, because if I'm gonna have the suspension on, it's gonna be in my way and it's gonna be hard to work on this area. So yeah, I'm gonna throw the suspension so we could roll the car, fix this, and then we'll reinstall the suspension for good. That's the plan. Let's do this. Just installed the suspension, so I'm just gonna leave it like this, just enough where I could roll the car, and we'll put the car right there on the frame machine. That's it, just finished with the suspension, so the car could roll now. Next, we'll start the fun part. I gotta remove the dashboard and change the pyro fuse, so that should be fun. We'll save that for the next video, so for now, we'll end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!